Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to stop background apps on Android. So for that we just have to go on our settings. Then here you have to scroll down to about phone. So click on that. And then here you have to click on software information. And then as you can see we have this option build number. So you just have to click on this 7 times. Here you have to enter your PIN. Okay, so now my developer mode has been turned on. After that, we have to go back. And then at the bottom of the page, we have this option, developer option. So click on that. Then we have to scroll down until we find background process limit. So I found it. It's at the apps options right here. So it's the second option, background process limit. Click on that. And then right here you have to select no background processes. And then click on don't keep activities. And then you have to restart your phone and you're done. So you just have to hold down on your power button and restart your phone. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and you can also tell us what videos you want to do for you. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.